Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify Uber card. Ensure your card is ready for seamless payment on the Uber app. By verifying your card, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So launch the Uber app on your Android or iOS device and make sure that you signed in to your account. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom, the account icon at the bottom right corner of the home screen. Once you're here at the top corner, go ahead and select Wallet. If you're using the driver app, go ahead and select Account and select Wallet. Now, if you haven't added your card yet, go ahead and tap Add Payment Method, and you're going to see a couple of payment methods to add. So go ahead and click on credit or debit card, and once you choose that, in here, this is very security sensitive, so that's why these options are not showing. So enter your card number, then your expiry date for the card, and the CVV for the card, and billing, zip or postal code. Then once you're done, tap next. If your card is already added but not yet verified, it must show a verify button or prompt beside the card. Uber verifies cards by placing a temporary charge, usually less than €1 or $1 on your account. And here is what to do. Tap the verify button beside your card. Uber may ask you to check your bank statement for the exact amount charged, or upload a photo of the card, only the last 4 digits visible, or complete two-factor authentication via your banking app or SMS. So all you need to do is to just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. And once you've confirmed the verification process, you receive a confirmation message saying your card is verified. The temporary charge will disappear automatically within a few days. And that's how you can verify your Uber card in just a few taps. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.